Okay, real talk. When was the last time someone looked at you and said, "You look so refreshed today"? Because if the answer is, "I genuinely cannot remember," this video is your intervention. You're not actually tired. You just look like you are. And those are two very different problems with two very different fixes. And today, we're fixing it. You could have slept 8 hours, drunk your water, done everything right, and still wake up looking like you pulled an all-nighter writing a paper you forgot was due. And it's frustrating because you know you're not that tired. You just can't figure out why your face didn't get the memo. Here's the thing. Looking tired isn't always about sleep. There are specific, fixable reasons your face is giving exhausted when your body isn't. And once you know what they are, you can't unsee them. So let's get into it. Reason 1, you're dehydrated and your face is telling on you. This is the #1 culprit, and it's the most overlooked one. When your body isn't getting enough water, your skin loses that plump, bouncy quality that makes a face look alive and awake. Instead, it looks flat, sunken, dull, which, you guessed it, reads as tired to everyone around you. And before you say, "But I drink water," are you drinking enough? Because most of us are walking around in a constant state of mild dehydration, and we've normalized how we look. We just think that's our face. It's not. That's your face without enough water. Start your morning with a full glass of water before you do anything else. Before the coffee, before the scroll, before anything. Hydrate your face from the inside and watch how much fresher you look within a few days. It sounds too simple to be true. It's not. Reason 2, puffiness, and you're making it worse without realizing it. Waking up a little puffy is normal. Staying puffy well into the afternoon is a sign that something in your routine is working against you. Salt is a big one. High sodium meals, especially late at night, cause your body to retain water in all the wrong places, your face being the main one. So that Chinese takeout at 11 p.m., delicious in the moment, puffy eyes the next morning. Every time. Alcohol does the same thing. It dehydrates you while simultaneously causing inflammation, so your face gets that swollen, heavy look that no amount of cold water is going to fully fix in one morning. The easy fixes? Cut the late-night salty snacks, limit the alcohol, and when you wake up puffy, cold water splash on your face, jade roller or ice globes if you have them, and gently massage upward from your jawline. Depuffing is a skill, and once you have it, you'll use it every single morning. Reason 3, your under eyes are screaming and you haven't addressed them. Dark circles and under-eye bags are the most direct way your face communicates exhaustion, whether you're actually tired or not. And the frustrating part is that a lot of us have them not because of sleep, but because of genetics, allergies, or just not taking care of that area. The skin under your eyes is the thinnest skin on your entire face. It needs extra attention, and most of us are giving it zero. Get an eye cream, use it morning and night, apply it with your ring finger, it has the lightest touch, and tap gently, never rub. Look for ingredients like caffeine for puffiness and vitamin C or niacinamide for brightening the darkness. Also, and this is important, check if you have allergies. Chronic allergies cause persistent under-eye darkness and puffiness that no skincare product will fully fix if the root issue isn't addressed. If your eyes are always a little swollen and itchy, that might be your answer. Reason 4, your skin is dull, and dull reads as exhausted. There's a version of your skin that's bright, clear, and reflective, and there's the version that's gray, flat, and lifeless. The difference between those two versions is usually just dead skin cells sitting on the surface of your face that you haven't exfoliated away. When you don't exfoliate regularly, all that buildup sits on top of your skin and blocks the light from bouncing off it the way it should. The result? You look dull. You look heavy. You look, you guessed it, tired. Exfoliate 2 to 3 times a week. You don't need anything expensive or complicated. A gentle chemical exfoliant with AHA or BHA, or even just a soft physical scrub will do the job. The morning after you exfoliate, look in the mirror. That brightness you see, that's what your skin actually looks like without all that buildup sitting on top of it. That's your real face, and she's glowing. Reason 5, you're not getting quality sleep, even if you're getting enough hours. Here's what nobody tells you about sleep. It's not just about the number of hours. It's about the quality. You can spend 9 hours in bed and still wake up looking exhausted if your sleep is broken, restless, or shallow. Your sleep position matters too. Sleeping face down or on the same side every night pushes fluid to your face and creates creases in your skin. Sleeping on your back is the gold standard for waking up with a smoother, less puffy face. If that feels impossible, a silk pillowcase is the next best thing. It reduces friction and doesn't absorb moisture from your skin the way cotton does. Also, your bedroom environment. Is it dark enough? Cool enough? Are you on your phone until the second you fall asleep? Blue light suppresses melatonin and messes with your sleep cycle, which means even if you fall asleep, you're not going deep enough to actually rest. Put the phone down 30 minutes before bed. Even 20, your face will thank you by morning. Reason 6. Your hair and your overall energy are adding to it. Sometimes it's not even your skin. Sometimes it's everything around your face that's making you look tired. Flat, unwashed hair, clothes you threw on without thinking, a posture that says, "I gave up." Your face doesn't exist in isolation. It's framed, and when everything around it is low energy, it pulls your face down with it. This doesn't mean you need to get dressed up every day. It means be intentional. Brush your hair and make it look like a choice. Stand up straight, seriously, shoulders back right now. Wear something that makes you feel like yourself, even if it's just a cute set you're wearing at home. Energy is visible, and when your overall energy is lifted, your face looks more awake automatically. It's not magic, it's just how human beings work. Here's what I need you to hear before you go. Looking tired all the time isn't your permanent reality. It's not just how you look. It's something you don't have to accept or cover up with a full face of makeup every single day just to feel presentable. It's a collection of small, fixable things, and now you know what they are. Drink your water, address the puffiness, take care of your under eyes, exfoliate, protect your sleep, and lift your energy, because you are not as tired as you look. You're just a few habits away from looking exactly as good as you feel. You're not tired, babe. You're just unbothered. And now you have the tools to make sure your face reflects that. Go fix it. You've got this. If this video hit different, share it with a girlfriend who needs to hear it. And subscribe because we're just getting started. I'll see you in the next one.